Hi, my name is John Walsh with the Logic Group. In this video, I'm going to do an example of a template of a church window that we've taken out. What we want to do is trace it, save it as a DXF file, and then cut a new window out using a CNC router. So on the outside of my window, I can do that simply with lines and arcs. So I start up the Logic Trace software. I tell it I'm going to do a line. I click the Start button. I take the pen stylus, and I digitize my straight points for my outside edges. Then for the top, it's simply an arc. I just come in here, click arc, and then digitize the midpoint of the arc and the end point of the arc. And then I click stop, and I have the outside of my window defined. Now, for each of these bottom windows, they're just rectangles. So I'm going to tell my software we're doing rectangles. I click trace start. And then to do a rectangle, I just digitize any 3 points. And then it will calculate that rectangle. So just any 3 points, and I just go along, there's 9 of them, and it will pop in a rectangle in the right spot, the right size, every time. Just any 3 points on each window. That's number 6. That's number 7. That's number 8. I'm doing this real fast. It's number 9, and then I come in and click stop. I've done all my rectangles. Now the windows at the top, they are all arcs, so I'm going to do them as a series of arcs. Just come into my software, click arc, click start, and to do an arc, I just do any 3 points. So 3 points there, midpoint, endpoint, 3 points there, and I have that window done. And then I got to click stop to start the next one. Trace start, do the next one again, 3 points there, 3 points there, 3 points there, 3 points there. I've got my second window, click stop, click start, do my top window, again, 3 points, and stop, start for my next window. I'm over here, just got a couple more to do. Again, they're all arcs. I just do 3 points. I've got that one, stop. And this last one over here. And then stop. And then this last one here, it's got a little notch right here. So I'm just going to do that as a little tiny arc. And just 3 points for every one of those. And then I click stop, and now I've got a great window in the right size. I save it as a DXF file, and then I can load it into my CNC router. Thank you very much. My name is John Walsh. If you have any questions, please contact me.